Vaisala GMW90 Series transmitters measure carbon dioxide, temperature, and humidity in demanding HVAC applications. But as you'll see, installing and calibrating them is anything but demanding. Start the installation by screwing the back plate into the wall. Connect the cables through the back plate. If needed, change the settings such as metric, non-metric units, and relay set points. That's it. Snap the unit onto the back plate and you're done. To maintain the optimal performance of the instrument, you can choose from several convenient calibration options. Compare the readings with any reference device. If you need to adjust the unit, remove the screw, slide down the cover, and use the offset trimmers. You can adjust the measurements by using the trimmers, calibration gas, or the service port with Indigo 80. Whichever method you choose, calibrating the Vaisala GMW90 transmitter is as quick and easy as installing.